Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel dedicated of radio-controlled helicopters. In this video I want to speak with all of you my experience the Maniax. I have received the Maniax for the 700 class, the last release 18C. I don't wait to test these new Lipos. Okay, so why should you choose Maniax? I have tested this battery for many years, the 70C release, and the life of this Lipo is very high. At last I have a flight with each pack 190 flights. And my record is 240 flight, about 240 flight. The internal resistance don't change in the time in the discharge, and in the past I flight not very well because I'm using very high collective pitch over 13 degree, and the RPM at last 2200 RPM to 2300 RPM, and this is a big stress for our Lipos. We know this, and I haven't any type of problem. And the internal resistance after 200 flight don't go up free for each element of my stick pack. The pack is refined very well, and each pack have a high quality silicone cable with a important section 8 AUG for 200 degree resistance. Okay. It's really lightness. If you like this video, I invite you to like it, to subscribe our channel, and click on the bell to stay tuned to our next news. Have a nice flight and happy landing. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, for this video is all. If you like this video, I invite you to like it, subscribe our channel, and click on the bell to stay tuned to our next news. Thanks for watching, have a nice flight and happy landings. See you soon.